Hello friends, so today we are going to study the boiling point elevation. Before we will start, first we should note that what is the boiling point. So it is a point of temperature. It is a point of temperature at which its vapor pressure equal the applied pressure. Okay, at which the vapor pressure equals the applied pressure. That point of temperature is known as what? Boiling point. And now we are ready to study about the boiling point elevation. So it has been found that if we add a non-volatile solute into a pure solvent, then its boiling point is elevated. Therefore, the solution containing non-volatile solutes boils at a higher temperature than the boiling point of a pure solvent. And now we are ready to look into completely boiling point elevation. Okay. So we have found that the solution containing non-volatile solute will boil at a higher temperature. So if we consider TB naught as the boiling boiling point of a pure substance, of a pure solvent, and TB as the boiling point of the solution, boiling point of the solution. So we know that the TB will be greater than TB naught. Okay, because we have found that here. Okay, TB will be greater than TB naught. Okay, so what is the boiling point elevation? It is the difference between TB minus TB0. Okay, so the difference between boiling point of a solution, boiling point of a solution and that of a pure solvent is known as boiling point elevation. Okay, so now we have understood boiling point elevation, and now we will study one more concept. Now we are going to study the relation between the boiling point elevation and the concentration of solute. So if delta TB is the boiling point elevation and the constant, we know that the concentration is expressed in terms of molality, okay, by M. So the boiling point elevation, that is delta TB, is directly proportional to the molality. Okay, if we replace this proportionality sign, then we will get delta TB equal to KBM, where delta TB is the boiling point elevation and M is what? Molality. And KB is what? KB is the boiling point elevation constant. And if we have to find the unit of KB, if we have to find unit of boiling point elevation constant, then so we have got equation delta TB equal to KB M. So if we are on the unit of KB, then we will take M here, delta TB upon M. And we know that the SI unit of temperature is what? Kelvin, and of molality is mole per kg. So we get the unit of kb as k kg per mole. Thank you guys. In another video I will be talking about freezing point depression. Thank you.